His camera.
Go on! Film it! You filming it? Do the button then. Do it. Press it.
So Anna's been asking him the whole time to turn the camera on and film it. And he turned it on but didn't press record, so he didn't do any filming. Hello folks and welcome to today's vlog, and as promised today's vlog is coming to you from the Nene Valley Railway in Peterborough, which is just over there somewhere. We're just getting Andy's shoes back on him in the car. We have sat at 3 different level crossings to get here. We've already had our fill of trains. We've seen what, 6 or 7 trains?
Come on, hurry up.
We're supposed to be here. The timetable for Bank Holiday Monday, the next train departs in 13 minutes. Now we don't have tickets yet. We need to go in, get tickets and see if we can get on that train, because if we miss that one, the one after that is a 45-minute wait, and those clouds look grey. So we might actually be finding ourselves in the situation where we're going to miss our train because of all the trains, but hopefully not. We've made it in with 8 minutes to spare, tickets purchased, but of course Andy needed the toilet, so we're cutting it a little bit fine. Right, you gonna get on?
Yeah.
Right, find crisps.
We get some crisps.
I haven't got crisps now.
Window.
Can I sit in the window?
They're here.
No, I sit that side.
Not that one.
Okay. Do you want to sit with him if we're going that way?
I can do. I can't help but notice that Andy's wearing some very stylish Different Is Not Broken merch, which of course the link to that is available down in the description
Wink.
to this video. Hold on. For winking, we can do it like that. You excited?
Yes.
Is it going to be fun?
Oh, a PSP.
Yes, I'm doing it.
Just wants to, he's going to sit on here and just play games,
Mind you,
isn't he?
platform 3.
Platform 3.
That's platform 3 just there, isn't it?
Can you do me some filming?
Nah.
Please?
No.
We do have it with us. He's still not
No.
at all interested in
That's
it.
fine, Dad.
Okay, that's fine.
What is this?
But there'll be
No,
no through
no.
Andy's eyes.
No.
That has to stay on the window, Andy. The no smoking sign is just peeling off the window slightly. He doesn't like it. It either needs to be fully flat or off completely.
Right, and
So we have a rather grand looking timetable for the rest of the day. So in theory we can get on and off throughout the journey. It's going to go from here into Peterborough and then back again, but we can get off at one of the stops if we want to. I don't know if he's going to be at all interested in getting off and getting back on again. We'll have to see. But we also have 3 little souvenir tickets as well, which are very, very cool. So
oh, going underneath.
I'm going underneath. Oh,
Wee. Underneath the station.
okay.
you checking the map?
Yeah, we're going home from Wensford. Home.
We will do later, yeah. So Andy's not interested in getting off, but I have to do a little bit of filming through the window, just to prove that we could get on and off, even though he's taking his shoes off. He's playing his games. He is completely settled and comfortable. That'll be him for the next hour and a half now. He won't get off anywhere. I wouldn't say it's fair to say it's an ulterior motive for the journey, but I am hoping
Are you ready?
by travelling fairly slow on an old train, it will count as walking speed and will help me hatch the 9 eggs I need to hatch for the Celebi quests on Pokemon Go.
Oh, he's going
My
backwards.
word, that felt and sounded like the start to a horror movie.
We'll go watch this.
Oh, watch out here! You're over here again, are you? He took my seat from me, so you wanted to
That
spread
one?
out. You want to sit there? You want to sit here?
Yeah.
Okay. He watched that side the other way, so now he wants to sit here.
Going
He likes to be able to see where we're going.
home now.
We're not going home. We're going to go all the way into Peterborough and then back again as well. He likes to be able to see where he's going. Clearly.
Keep socks on.
We go.
What are we ready for? Where are we going?
Go underneath.
We're going
the
underneath the
tunnel.
tunnel. I think it must be coming because he's getting more and more loud and excited.
You ready? Are you ready?
I can't see when it's going to happen.
Are you ready? Whoa! Look at it go!
Yeah. and then we adjust to low light. What a wonderful camera this is. Do you like it in the tunnel?
Yeah.
Good.
It's like being in a church.
I guess it is a little.
It smells like it.
Yeah, it does smell like being in a church actually. And it's really old brick and stuff, isn't it? It's very cool. I feel like I might not need my sunglasses at this point.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This is exactly the kind of speed I'm talking about.
Hurry up.
You are.
All 9 of them, so close. Where are we going?
To the Peterborough.
We're going to Peterborough. Where's the next stop?
Wansford.
We've been practicing with the map, so he doesn't. So when we go back to the station we started at in a minute, I don't want him to expect he's getting off. We've paid £40 for this. We want our 3 hours of train-based entertainment out of it.
Wansford. Open station.
Yeah, so we're working with the map so that he knows where we're going next. I think, there's a timetable.
Do you want me?
Yeah.
Like that's fine.
This tram is for Peterborough near the station.
Yeah,
This train
the next one is Overton.
This
so-
is Wansford.
Yeah, this is
train-
Wansford.
This train is for Peterborough near the station. The next stop is Overton station.
Overton.
The railway station.
Yeah,
for
so-
Ferry Meadows.
Yeah, that's right. It does say that on the map. That's very cool. So we're back here at Wansford again for just 1 minute. Apparently, it's just a quick 1 minute stop. So I guess that whistle is us
We're ready.
leaving again.
Here we go.
I am ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We were panicking a little bit before, but if we had been late, we could have just got on now.
Here
I
we
guess, and then start that
go.
first leg. Anna,
Oh, level crossing.
Oh, level crossing.
We're waving. Hi. Hi. Hi there.
oh, there's lots of people waving. Let's wave at everybody.
Look at the river. This train is for Peterborough Navy Station. Next stop, Overton Station for Ferry Meadows.
He's getting properly into it. This is awesome.
Oh look!
Oh, maybe. I like
Oh, it's going fast.
Yeah, it's going a bit faster now, isn't it?
Oh.
Oh, come over here. It's a bunch of people. Yeah, I think it's
Hi,
gonna-
level crossing.
Yeah, give it a wave then.
Hi.
Oh, we've got another level crossing.
Hi.
Hello. So where are we, Andy? Where have we just stopped?
This is Overton Station.
Overton
for
Station.
Ferry Meadows.
For
This
Ferry
is-
Meadows, exactly.
This is Overton Station for Ferry Meadows.
Exactly, and there are a lot
This
of people.
train is for Peterborough Neversea Station. The next stop, Orpington Meeting
Orton
Station.
Mere is the next one.
Station.
Yeah.
The next stop, Orton Mere Station.
It's the Peterborough NVR station.
The next stop is Orton Mere Station.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Oh, level crossings over there.
Is there another level crossing?
Oh, it's there. Hi.
Oh, there is another level crossing. There's a man there. Is he waving?
Hello.
Hello, everybody. And the level crossing also just happens to be a poker stop. You can tell we're getting a little bit more into the centre of the city now because the graffiti's starting.
The next stop is Peterborough
NVR.
Station.
Because NVR...
Which is the last stop.
It is. Because NVR is Nene Valley Railway, which is where we are.
Here we go.
There we go. We want it slow, we've got extra hatch.
Yeah.
Stop. It's me, Secret Kev again. He's now holding the camera, but it's under the table, so he's not turned it on yet. But he is holding it in both hands. Houses! It's the first signs of civilization we've had since we've been on this train. Houses!
Just sit here.
We will when we turn around, yeah. He was already claiming his seat when we turn around and go back the other way. We can get off for a minute if you want and have a little look.
No.
Huh? Well then once we've stopped we can turn around and sit on that side again, yeah? He's already getting ready to move. Shall we move straight away so that we make sure we claim our seats?
This is Peterborough. Yep. Now the next stop is Mere.
Yes it is. You coming out to have a look? That's it, there's a big train there. This is so that's Rail World just there. That's the Railway Museum. This is the little station just there. If you ever watched any of my match day vlogs from the football ground is literally sort of just over there. This is the car park that we park in when we come to the football. If you're trying to link together a map of Peterborough in your head.
Here we go.
Here we go. So we've now been on the train an hour. An hour since we first got on it. It's 2:30.
Station.
Yeah. It's
The next stop, Mere Station.
Yeah, so it's going to Yarwell. Yarwell Station. We get off at Wansford, that's where the car's parked. So we're going to get off at Wansford to get back in the car. Yeah? Yeah, we've got the day over. We can stay on here all day if we want, going back and forth.
No.
No, we're not going to.
Film it for mummy.
It's camera.
Go on. Film it. You filming it? Do the button then. Do it. Press it.
So Anna's been asking him the whole time to turn the camera on and film it. And he turned it on but didn't press record, so he didn't do any filming.
No.
Film it. Film it.
No.
Film it.
Hello.
Film it.
So where are we now, Andy?
We wanted to stop.
Have we stopped?
Stop. This is Mere Station.
Had to wait for it to stop.
This train is for Yarwell Station. The next stop, Orkerton Station for Ferry Meadows.
And we're now leaving the city limits, so this is the last of the graffiti that we'll see on today's journey.
This train is for Yarwell Station. Yarwell Station. The next stop, Overton Station for Ferry Meadows.
Spot
Oh,
on.
I like the way you say Ferry Meadows. Do you say Ferry Meadows?
Yeah.
Don't know. Ferry Meadows.
My eggs are hatching, the entire trip was worthwhile! She did such an angry face at me, but then smiles at you.
Where is it? Oh. Oh! Oh no!
Ooh, you don't want to know, you gave me an angry face. A Geodude.
Geodude.
And we should have another one.
Oh!
We've got 7 more to go after this. He's only going to get louder.
Oh.
Another Geodude.
Oh!
And this one is
Oh!
a Sandshrew. I think that's what they're called, yeah, Sandshrew.
Oh! This is Overton Station for Ferry Meadows.
Good boy.
This train is for Yaleswood Station. The next stop was for station.
Another Geodude. It's brilliant the way he just stopped midway through, oh, to do his station announcement. Then he's straight back on it again.
Oh!
These are all ones people have sent me as well, which is awesome. These are all from gifts.
Oh my god!
Oh, what is he? It's the slimy man. Grimer.
Grimer! Oh!
I don't know if you can hear Anna really quietly shushing him afterwards. I've spent 2 years teaching him to yell a hole every time an egg's about to hatch. Another Sandshrew. Is that it? That was it. That's only 7. What's happening? Did they not all... I thought they were all due to hatch at the same time. They're not. We need to stay on the train. That's alright then. We've got 7 of the 9 now for the Celebi task, so we should still get it done today. He's still not pressing record. He's literally doing this for Anna's benefit because she's asked him so long to film it. So he's got it turned on and he's pretending to film, but he hasn't pressed record.
Are you filming it then?
Station.
On them.
Oh yeah, look at my move.
Yeah, good boy. Well done. You waving.
There will now be a Through Andy's Eyes video. I don't know how long it will be.
Fire alarm.
It looks like a fire alarm, yes.
I think we're nearly back. This has been awesome. If you ever get the opportunity to do this, you should. £40 for a family ticket. I think it's £16 for an adult, £13 for carers, £8 for kids.
Family is 4, isn't it?
Yeah, 2 adults, 2 children on a family ticket for 40 quid. And it's been awesome. And if you like sightseeing and stuff, what you're doing, you don't have to just stay on it for the full hour and a half. We've only done that because Andy's wanted to. We would have quite happily got off at Ferry Meadows for an hour, maybe got off in town for an hour. And just made a day of it. It would have been really, really cool. So absolutely well worth the money if you get the opportunity to do it. A proper Peterborough tourist attraction.
Hi!
And there we are, back at the station. Andy's just told me to put the camera back on and record.
Station. The next stop, Yaleswood Station, which is the last stop.
Cool. I'd actually put the camera away and broken it down, ready to get off the train, and he made me get it back out again, turn it back on, so that he could talk into it and do that final bit. Don't forget your camera, Andy.
Would you like your coat on?
Andy, what tree you step in?
Never watched the train go.
Oh, I don't think the train goes.
No, it's going to be here for a little while yet. Should we go and have a look in the shop?
No,
It's stopped now.
You driving the train? Is it good? How are you going to react when it just drives away with him in control of it?
I'm sure it'll be fine.
No one's actually told us he can go in there. We just saw another kid in there, so we thought, yeah, Andy, go in there and have a go. There's every chance he's about to drive this train away. So we've come up on the bridge. So this is the train we were just on. I guess they might be, are they decoupling a bit from the front to go back the other way? I don't think they are. So when we went on it, it did go that way and then swapped around at that end. But we're having a look at it from up here. Are you ready?
Yes.
Nearly time. it goes. Was that good?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Well, he watched it disappear off into the distance, but didn't get his camera out. Still don't know what the issue is there. We'll figure it out eventually. All of which concludes an awesome day at Nene Valley Railway. Highly recommended, like I said, when we were on the train, but we are going to leave today's vlog here. So if you have enjoyed that, please make sure you leave a nice big thumbs up on there for us. Subscribe to the channel for more daily vlogs. And thank you very much for watching.